Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and SIM compatibility. Check that your phone supports the carrier's 5G bands and that the SIM is provisioned for 5G. Once done, power cycle the device to refresh network attachment. Make sure 5G mode is enabled in network settings and the SIM sits in the primary slot if dual SIM. If the carrier requires a carrier profile or eSIM download, install it now. These steps eliminate the most common physical and provisioning blockers before deeper troubleshooting. You now adjust software and configuration. Switch preferred network type to 5G/auto and toggle cellular data off and on. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier firmware. Modem updates can fix radio issues. Reset network settings to clear bad APN entries, then re-enter correct APN and roaming settings provided by the carrier. Make sure VO LTE/5G calling options match carrier recommendations, and temporarily disable VPNs or third-party firewalls that may block registration. You finish by diagnosing signal and carrier issues. Run speed tests and use a CellInfo app to record RSRP/RSRQ and the serving band. That tells you if you're on wave or sub-6. Once done, contact your carrier with those metrics to confirm provisioning, local outages, or tower maintenance. If problems persist, test with a different 5G-capable phone or a known good 5G SIM to isolate device versus network faults. Key tip: swap SIMs before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.